Welcome to W Pompano Beach Hotel and Residences. My name is Lyanna Bianco. I'm one of the in-house sales executives here. Let me take you on a tour. We usually start the presentation here at the scale model, but then we bring them into the immersion room where we have the massive video wall with the SmartPixel technology there, and we can actually take them through all the renderings with the touch screen of the amenities in the building, of the surroundings, where the closest airport is, where the closest private airport is, where you go to dinner, where you walk to the pier. Everything is on this big wall at touch screen, and it's just such an impressive experience. Very easy to use. So when we are able to identify a unit that a client is interested in, we actually leave the immersion room and come back out here, and I'll light it up on the model to show them exactly where their terrace is going to be on the floor that they've chosen by using the touch screen that's out here that connects with the model. And I think that's another great tool that we have. The buyers are super impressed with this visualization tool because it really gives them an immersive experience to looking at a floor plan to actually stepping out on a terrace and seeing what the ocean will look like from their actual unit. We're selling the water, we're selling views here, and that's hard to visualize on a model or on a piece of paper. It's such an easy tool. It's been a great addition to the sales gallery, which is a beautiful sales gallery in itself. But the fact that we can just touch screen and take a client to a floor, to a unit, to the terrace to see the actual view has been just amazing, and they've been so impressed with it. Here we can step out on a terrace and actually see what the ocean is going to look like, what it's going to look like if you pan to the left, if you pan to the right, if you look further out. So I think it's such a great sales tool for this sales gallery, and really impresses the people that are here for presentations. We weren't ever down. It was never something that was an issue in our, in any of our presentations. It's been great, and the support's been really good too.